That's the bell.
No.
Hello, everyone. We're back at the, don't know what to call this, the train room, I guess. Welcome back to Trains and More Random Stuff, where I do trains and random stuff. That's right. I'm using that new intro to all the capabilities because I can. But if you saw the previous video, which will probably air before this one does, we did a house tour. Can you angle the camera up? Thank you. But today, we are pulling a passenger train with a double-headed engines that are made for freight. Because I had no idea what else to do, and I didn't want to... These cars were already on the track, so I just decided to throw a separate engine on it. The engine that was on it is right here. I did a video on it. It's going to be in a series that I'm starting with these two locomotives right here. This one is the 8977 from on the Pennsylvania Railway. It is a very old Lionel locomotive, built in I don't know when, but it is old. It is very heavy, and it is a 060. It has a working smoke unit, and that's all I know about it. But it also has a headlight on the front and a headlight on the back. They are directional. When you go backwards, the backward one turns on, and when you go forwards, the forward one turns on. Now, unfortunately, the marker lights do not turn on, but the engine behind the 8977 is the 729 from the AT&SF. I don't know the name of that railway, I just call it that. It is an 080 with a tender. It is specifically made for freight due to the tiny, itty-bitty drivers. It is very small. These two are the very start of the new series. Every engine I have, part one. This is going to be part one to a multiple series. It's going to be very painful for me. We may just all record it at once, but you won't know that. Okay. But today we're gonna run these children for you. You've probably seen the 729 on the channel before, and probably the 8977. But we're running them together, which I'm pretty sure you've also seen before. But not with a passenger train.
Dun dun dun.
Say hello, cameraman.
Hi. Oh wait, there I am. As usual.
As usual, we're smoking out our cameraman. If you saw the new Train/Crescent Limited video, he got choked by the smoke.
Badly.
But luckily this isn't choking me out.
This child will be probably next in the series. Even though we've already done a video over it, it's going in the series because, yes, that's why. Because I want to.
Question. Did you say that if there's enough likes or comments that we'll do cars next?
Yes. There. Raise the camera. Can you hold the light straight? Oh, I am very dark. That did nothing. Okay, now you can see me. Cameraman's holding a light. But, if you children like the video or comment enough or recommend it, I will do every train car I have in a series. Now, it's not going to be as detailed, but here's the thing. Also, if hitting the like button and commenting is too hard for you, subscribe and get me to 200 subscribers, and I will do a video with every single train car behind a locomotive. Now, you saw that on the 100 sub special, but that was a fail due to a piece of track that absolutely due to
Sure.
a piece of track that made me want to electrocute myself with this transformer. Because all the pain that would have caused was better than dealing with that piece of track. But that piece of track has since been banished to the corner, the Shadow Realm. It's not over there anymore because I probably threw it away. But now I would need to expand the layout to accommodate every single car I have. But if you get me to 200 subscribers, I'm at 189 at the moment. So we're not that far away. It's not that hard. It's free. I remember as a
It's
child.
literally 11 people. 11 people to
Yes.
subscribe.
We need 11 of you.
For
if
those
you're
that couldn't
new,
do the
if
math,
you're
it's
new,
11.
we don't care. If you're new here, I don't care. Do it. It's free. I remember, if most of you are children, most of you are old, according to my analytics, but any of you who are children, when I was a kid, I thought subscribing cost money, but it doesn't. It's free. It's not that hard. Go down there. Go on.
We see you.
Go on.
Go.
Go on. If you've made it this far into the video, do it. It's not that hard. If you don't mind, you could also hit the notification bell and
Well, it's automatically hit when you subscribe.
oh, now it does?
Yeah.
Oh, well, it doesn't put all. Go down and hit the bell and
I
hit
think it
all
does.
all notifications. I just you have to do that.
Oh.
If you
okay.
hit all notifications, you'll get notified if I ever go live, if I make a video, if I make a post, you know, the subscriber thing. The subscriber thing. If you like the stuff I do, do it. But enough of me talking to a man in the corner holding a flashlight and holding a camera.
Don't mock me. Fine, no more light for you.
I've been blinded. But it's time for the...
Dispatcher here. Starter up. Stand by for track orders. Over. Yes, sir. Start up and stand by. Out.
They're already on. How are we supposed to start them up?
Dispatcher, my engine's ready. Can I pull? Over. Please stand by. Out. Dispatcher, trains buckle together.
This guy really doesn't want us to leave.
Negative. Hold your position. Over. Okay. Understood. Out.
We have to last like 10 times if we can leave.
I'm ready to roll, dispatcher. Can I get to the main line? Over. Roger that. Take the green. Over.
Hey, he's nice.
Roger that. Cleared outbound. Out.
Gone. I cut off that voice line. You know what that means? Oh, the frame rate is wonderful on the camera.
Yep.
According to my POV. And that'll be it. Congratulations, you children survived 11 minutes of content. Goodbye.